Hello, today we will guide you through how to add Google reviews to a Squarespace website. We'll use Elf Site to generate a Google Reviews widget, then embed it on your Squarespace page. Keep your Elf Site dashboard and Squarespace site open in separate tabs so you can move between them easily. Start an Elf Site. Open the My Apps dashboard and select Create Widget. This takes you to the catalog. Choose the New Apps section, then use the search bar to type Google Reviews. When you see the Google Reviews app appear, select it. You'll be shown a variety of sample templates that control layout and styling. Pick a sample template you like and use it. You can always adjust details like the number of reviews, layout style, and colors within the template preview so it matches your site's look and feel. When your widget looks good, click Publish. After publishing, open the three dots menu for that widget to access more options. Choose Embed Code and copy the embed code that appears. This snippet is what you'll paste into Squarespace. Keep this tab handy in case you want to tweak the design later. Now switch to Squarespace. From your site's home menu, go to the Website section, then Open Pages. Choose the page where you want the reviews to appear and click Edit to enter page editing mode. Decide where the widget should go, often just below a testimonials header or near your contact details works well, and add a new block in that spot. From the block picker, choose Embed. After the embed block is placed, click to edit it so you can add custom code. Select the code snippet option, then open the embed data field. Paste the Elf Site code you copied earlier into this field, and save. Give the page a moment to load the widget. Save your page changes, then preview the page on both desktop and mobile to ensure the reviews display correctly and the layout fits your design. If the widget looks too tight or too wide, adjust the block's width in Squarespace or return to Elf Site to switch templates or tweak settings, then republish and recopy the code if needed. If the widget doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh usually helps. Occasionally, it may take a minute for the embed to load. That's it. You've created a Google Reviews widget in Elf Site, published it, copied the embed code, and placed it on your Squarespace page using an embed block. Your live reviews are now working to build trust and credibility right where your visitors can see them